Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I've been trying to share this recipe of kahwa, which is very effective for coughs, for asthmatic, and the conditions as these days are for COVID patients or anyone who's got cough or any chest issues with related to cough. This kahwa is guaranteed effective, as it has worked with my kids. They were asthmatic and it does relieve them. It did instant relief with their cough, and it has been really effective. So I'm sharing the recipe and the method, the ingredients and everything, how to make this kahwa. I learned this through my sister, bless her. She had, since the day she told me to make this kahwa, and I've been always making it whenever my kids are ill. And in fact I've been telling few people as well, and it has worked for them as well. So what we need is about 2 cups of water and a handful of raisins. You can increase or decrease these according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So I've just put a stick as well. If you don't have powder, you can use stick and break it into small pieces while boiling. And I've got 1 tablespoonful of chopped ginger and honey, which we'll use when the kahwa is prepared fully, and then you can add accordingly when you want to have it. So okay, here goes water. You can add everything at the same time. You don't need to boil water first or so everything goes in, and then boil this until the water comes, half of it dries off. So I'll tell you when the water is reduced to its half. Okay, now the water has reduced to half, and we will turn it off, and then I'll blend this whole mixture until it becomes smooth. Okay, it's ready now. So you can keep it in a glass bottle or a jar, and then you can refrigerate it, and you can use this. I mean, you can have this kahwa. It's equivalent as a cough syrup, so there's no limit to it. So you can have as many times. Just warm it in the micro, and with honey, have it about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons at a time. And this is how it looks. Okay, I'll just show how it looks and how much honey. It's up to your requirement how much sweet you'd like. So I'll just add a bit of honey. Yeah, and then stir, and your kahwa is ready, and have it as or whenever you want. In winters, it's the best thing to protect you from any winter flus or. Okay, that's it.